they would book me as the singer in the show and then close with a comic, a comedian, because comedy was king in the Catskills. And then when, in the early days, there was an opening act. So I once worked with a monkey, Mr. Chimp, Mr. something, and he shot off these pistols, and there was all smoke. And now Dina Claire, and I would come out into this haze of smoke. All right, but I worked with many Jewish comedians. I worked with Red Buttons. I worked with Jackie Mason. I worked with Henny Youngman and Georgie Jessel and so many more. You name it, I worked with him. And there's a very interesting story. I was working at a small hotel called the Echo. And there was a comedian on by the name of Jack Roy. And I went on first, did my spot, and then I was in the dressing room waiting for him to finish. And Jack finished, and when he came off, he said, "Boy, am I hungry. How about we go for a bite to eat?" So I said, "Oh, okay, yeah, I'm game, I'm hungry too." So we're waiting for our food in this small restaurant in South Fallsburg. And he says, "You know what?" Because he spoke this way, he was very gruff. "You know what, Dee? I decided I'm going to change my name." I said, "Really? What? To what?" He said, I decided I'm going to change my name to Rodney Dangerfield. What do you think?" Well, I thought he was nuts. Boy, was I wrong. Right after that, he just went right up. You know, he went on TV and he started making movies. And he was the nicest man. He really was. He was very sweet and very nice and very, very funny, very funny. So I was there the night that Jack became Rodney.